So today we will continue with the third lesson in topic 10, multiply a fraction by a whole number, use samples. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. And before we start, my heroes, I want to remind you about the main idea, how we multiply a whole number by a fraction.
Teacher, I already joined. What is this?
Okay, we'll continue with the same lesson, my hero. Lesson 3. So, my heroes, I will use a blank page. I will use a blank page to explain to you the main idea. And my heroes, I said before, when you join the session late, do not interrupt us. Try to focus and try to follow. So let's see a question like 7 times 3/5. To solve this question, my heroes, we have two ways to do so. The first way is using the properties of multiplication. We can use associative property. And the second way is solving directly by multiplying the whole number by the numerator and keep the denominator. So we multiply the 7 by 3. 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. Keep the denominator. So we keep the 5 as it is. Okay, so this is how we can multiply a whole number by a fraction. Just multiply the whole number by the numerator and keep the denominator. We can do one extra step here, since we see that 21 over 5, 21/5, it is improper fraction. And improper fraction means that the numerator is greater than the denominator. The improper fraction is a fraction more than whole one. So it's greater than the whole one. And the whole one in this case is 5/5. So 21/5 is greater than 5/5. What should we do? We should write it as a mixed number. How to write it as a mixed number? We use the division. We have two ways to do so, and we like to use the division because it's the easier one, and we get the quotient and the remainder directly from it. So we need to divide 21 by 5. Okay, let's do this division. We start by what number times 5 equals 21 or less. So we know that 4 times 5 equals 20. If we subtract here, we will get the remainder 1. Okay, names again. This one is the quotient. And down here we have the remainder. we will use the quotient and the remainder to write the mixed number. So write the quotient as the whole and the remainder as the numerator.
Teacher, that we take it before.
I know, I said I'm reminding you. Because we will do this today also. I want to make sure that you know how to do it. So the quotient is the whole, so 4 as a whole number, and the remainder 1, and for the denominator keep the same denominator as it is. So the final answer is 4 and 1/5 as a mixed number and 21/5 as a fraction. And my heroes, I want to give you a note here for the division to make sure that your division is correct. Check it. How to check your division? Check the division. How to check the division? You should make sure that the remainder is less than the divisor. The divisor here is 5. So the remainder is 1. I will go down so I can write down. The remainder here is 1 and the divisor is 5. So of course 1 is less than 5. So the division is okay, it's good. We can use it. What if the remainder is equal to the divisor or greater than the divisor? So you need a bigger quotient. So in this case, we change the 4 in the quotient here. We make it bigger. We make it 5, 6. If the remainder is more than the divisor or equal to the divisor. Okay, now my heroes, let's go back to the book and do the same.
Teacher, so
Mm-hmm.
when I get an improper fraction, I have to like divide it to get so the numerator is less than the denominator.
When we get improper fraction, we convert it into mixed number.
Yeah, so we divide it so I can make sure that.
Yes, we use long division. Since long division is easy for us to use it quickly. Okay, let's start with the first question. And here we are solving questions from 7. We will start with question number 7. Okay. And Saleh?
Yes.
Okay, Saleh, go ahead.
4 times 1 equals 4, and the denominator 3.
Excellent. So 4/3. 4/3 is this improper fraction?
Yes.
So let's use long division to write it as a mixed number. We need to write it as a mixed number. Okay, so how to do so? We divide the numerator by the denominator. 4 divided by 3 equals?
1,
Okay, 1 times 3 equals?
3,
Subtract to get the remainder.
1.
Now, make sure this 1 is less than the 3.
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is right. Let's write it now here. Where's the whole number?
1.
Okay, so this is the whole and the remainder is the numerator. So the 1 in the whole and the fraction is
1/3.
1/3. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions? Okay, Muhammad Saad.
Can you just repeat this because I think I forgot everything you said.
Okay, focus with me on the next one. We're repeating it.
Okay.
Muhammad Saad. Nader. Nader. Okay, Nader, go ahead.
6 times 3 eighths equals 18 eighths. And it's a proper fraction.
Improper fraction. Okay, so we need to write it as a mixed number. Let's use the long division here. 18 divided by 8.
Equals to
And 2 times 8.
16.
Okay. Yes.
18 minus 16 equals 2.
Okay, so tell me what is the improper fraction?
2 and 2 eighths.
2 and 2 eighths. Okay. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, again, my heroes. Any problems? Okay, let's continue. Ali Zakaria. Ali Zakaria. علي زكريا. علي القطان. علي القطان. عبد الرحمن أنور.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, عبد الرحمن, go ahead. Question number 9. Abdurrahman, you are not using your mic. We cannot hear you. Abdurrahman, we cannot hear you. Laith? Abdurrahman, try to solve your problem. Laith? Laith? Mahdi?
Teacher, can I answer?
I'm calling the names.
Sir, I am
Okay, Mahdi first. Mahdi first. Okay, Mahdi, go ahead.
9. Teacher, I don't see.
Question number 9.
8 multiplied 2 fifths equal 10 fifths.
Oh, 8 times 2 equals 10.
No. 16
Yes.
fifths.
Okay, and this is improper fraction, of course. So we need to write it as a mixed number. Okay, let's do the division.
Um,
16 divided by 5.
16 divided by 5. Can't be.
Why can't be? 16 is more than 5. What number times 5 gives 16 or less? Less than 16.
3.
3 times 5?
3 times 5 equals
So the remainder is
16 minus 1.
okay. Let's write the mixed number. Okay, again, the whole number is this quotient is the whole, and
The whole 3.
the whole is 3. And down here, the remainder is the numerator. So the numerator is in the top, the numerator. What should I write? The remainder, my hero. 1.
1, 1, 1. Yeah.
Okay, I'll erase this so you can focus. And the denominator?
3.
Why 3? Keep it. So
5.
5. So the answer is 16 fifths or 3 and 1/5. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, please finish writing quickly, and do not forget to write the division, because this is how we convert it to a mixed number. Okay, life. Wait. Okay, just give me a second. My heroes, now we can solve all these questions the same. So let's move down to question number 16. So life, you are solving question number 16. Go ahead. Calculate.
The total distance Mary runs in 1 week if she runs 7/8 mile each day.
Mm-hmm.
Just there is no more.
So what should we do?
Multiply.
Excellent. We need to multiply because we repeat 7/8. Each day 7/8. How many days in 1 week?
How many days in 1 week?
Yes?
7.
So that's why we need to multiply 7 by 7/8. Okay, go ahead, my hero.
Yeah. 7 multiply 7, it will be
Mm-hmm.
I think
Yes, my hero. What is 7 times 7?
I forgot
Oh, 49.
because I don't have a paper and a pencil. I forgot to bring it for me.
Oh, so how you are writing now? Okay, so it's 49/8.
Okay.
Thank you, my hero. But everyone here, can you see that 49/8, it's improper fraction. So we need to convert it to a mixed number. Thank you, Laith. And let's see how we can convert it. Salman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go ahead. Convert 49/8 to a mixed number?
Question number what, teacher?
We're still solving question number 16. We didn't finish.
So it's improper fraction. So we're gonna do division, but we're gonna times it. So what will be equal to 49? I mean,
8 times what number gives 49 or less? Okay, Salman, go ahead.
so 8 times 5 equals 40.
Okay.
So we're gonna write
Subtract. What is the remainder?
subtract. It's gonna be 9.
Okay, as you can see, 9 is greater than 8. Is greater than the divisor here. So,
We're gonna do it so it's greater than 8. So
we need a number more than 5.
Yeah, we need the number more than 5, like 4.
Oh, more.
6.
6 times 8.
Yes.
6 times 8 equals?
6 times 8 equals. It's gonna be equal 46.
No.
Wait. Teacher. I mean, 48.
Subtract.
Subtract. It's gonna be. It's if we subtract, it's gonna be 3.
Why 3?
What? I'm keep.
Okay, now 1 is less than 8. So this one is correct. Let's write the mixed number. What is the whole?
What is the whole one?
The whole is 1.
Wait, 6.
The whole is 6. Okay.
And 1
And
We
1/8.
keep 8 itself.
Great, thank you, my hero. So, my heroes, it's 6 and 1/8 miles.
Teacher, I don't know why I'm saying that. It doesn't. I don't know why I'm saying 3 like that by accident.
Okay, Salman. No worries. Okay, my heroes, any questions? Okay, let's move to the next question. Ibrahim Osama,
Teacher,
go ahead.
conclude,
Calculate.
calculate the length of 5 pieces of ribbon length end to end if each piece and 2/3 yard long.
So we need 5 pieces. Each piece is 2/3 yard.
Yeah, like 2/3.
Excellent.
2/3.
Excellent. So we need to use multiplication.
Multiplication.
Okay, so what should I write?
Again, 5 multiplied 2/3.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
5 multiplied 2 equal 5 multiplied 2
Mm-hmm.
5 multiplied 2 equal 10.
And down in the denominator,
3.
3. Great work, my hero. I want Yusuf to help me to write the mixed number. Yusuf, Yusuf,
Yes, Mister.
can you help me to write it as a mixed number?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it. So we start by dividing 10 by 3. 10 divided 3.
It's gonna be 3.
Okay, 3 times 3 equals?
9. So it's gonna be minus 9, and it's gonna be 1, and it's gonna be 3 and 1/3 is.
Wow. So here we have the whole 3 and 1/3 yards. Thank you, Yusuf. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any questions? Any problems? Okay, my heroes, now, yes.
It's finished.
Okay,
It's finished, right?
okay, finish writing. And I will send to you the link of the game. Please finish writing quickly. So let's see the answers. The first one, 5 times 2 sectors, it is 10 sectors. And the next one, for this question, we need to multiply 8 by 6 by 5/8. So multiply 8 by 5/8. The answer will be whole 5. You will get 48. When you try to write it as a mixed number, you will get 5. Any problems? Any problems?
No, teacher, I don't have a problem.
Okay, let's move to the next one. In this one, multiply 100 by 1/4. So we will get 100 over 4. 100/4. Use the long division. You will get 25. And no fraction, just whole number. Any problems? Okay, the next one is very easy. 4/5 times 20 equals 16. It will be 80/5, and 80/5 equals 16. Okay. For the next one, 2/3 multiplied by 18, you will get 36/3, and as a whole, it will be 12. 36/3 or 12. And the last one, 5/6 times 30, you will get 150/6, and converting it, you will get 25. 150/6 is a whole number is 25. You don't have fraction to write it as a mixed number. Okay, so my heroes, any questions, any problems?
Goodbye. No, I don't have any questions, and goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Yes, Raken, do you have any questions?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Thank you, my hero. Okay, Hussein, any problems?
How will you? I want you to explain it one more time.
Which one? The last one?
Yes.
This one?
Yes, this one.
Okay. 5/6 times 30. How to do it? We multiply the 5 by 30. So 5 times 30 equals 150. 150/6. Use the division. Okay. You will get, okay, you will get 25. Now, do you have any problems?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my heroes. So let's end the session. Thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow, and goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.